Hello techies, welcome to AI Brahma YouTube channel. My name is Ganesh. In this video tutorial, we are discussing about automation anywhere practical question for interview, and this is exercise 14. I hope you have watched all other series also. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get first notification to you. Without wasting the time, we will go to interview scenario 14. So this is the question: first name dot last name 123 at gmail.com. And for this standard input we have to get a output as last name dot first name at gmail.com. Please observe carefully here. In this particular input we have a format 123 number format, right? That is excluded in output. That is one logic. And another logic is we have to interchange first name and last name in output. And also at the last, what are all the host name is there, gmail.com or hotmail.com, outlook.com, that one we have to combine, right? So that is exactly we have to build in automation anyway. And this question is very important question, because so many big four companies asked this question in their interviews. So that's why, so we will directly go to exercise 14. So this is a question we have. So how we can build? The first thing, whenever we are working with a interview scenarios, we have to think as a dynamic, right? So how we can do dynamic this question, because input will be from user. So that's why I will use a forms prompt, and prompt for value, because I'm taking a value, right? So that's why in the prompt window caption, please enter mail ID, right? And or you can do one thing, in caption mail id, here you can write in the message, please enter your mail id, right? And I need to store it in variable s input, because this is my input right now. Yeah, create and select. So now I'm taking my input from user. This we will call it as dynamic coding, right? For this input, we have to manipulate some of the things, right? So last name we have to interchange to first name to last name, and this 123 we have to remove from the output. So how we can do? The first thing is, whenever we will work with this type of question, we will go to string, because we have string manipulation logics, right? What we can do, first we will extract last name. How we can extract? Go to string and take extract text. Okay, we have here three options: before and after. Okay, how we can work with, we will see. The first thing is we have to extract the last name. So last name, how we can extract? So it is started from the first index, right? Or zeroth index, first letter, and it is ended at the dot. This will be standard for all the input. If you change last name as Ganesh or last name as AI Brahma, ABC, nothing, right? It will not change. So dot is a first dot is a indication to extract the last name, right? How we can extract? Through extract text. Last name we have to find it, right? So dot is a last word. So here we have a source string. What is the source string? Yes, input. And if you observe clearly here, what is the before? Start after text, right? Start after the text of this one. In this particular scenario, is it will work? No, because it is ended before dot, right? For that, what we can take? After. If you see here, end before text dot. So I'm taking end before text dot. Okay, occurrence from first index, no issue. Sorry, occurrence is how many occurrences? This is the first occurrences. We don't have second occurrences at the dot com, right? So first occurrence, I need to take a first occurrence dot. Fine. So I need to defaultly you can take it this one, empty null string, all characters and match case and trim, remove, enter, everything you can take it. And we have to save this particular output into last name, right? Yes, last name. I'm just saving and take one message box here. You can write it as s last name and just copy this one for input and run the bot. So now we will get to know, okay, what exactly we have build a logic, right? Last name, first name. So first we have built it a last. So then we will take a first name. So here important thing is we have to remove 1 2 3 from our string, right? How we can remove that I will tell you, because every time 1 2 3 they won't write, right? So they can write it 9 2 1 or 9 1 1 itself, 0 itself. So that's basically it can happen. So last name dot first name, if I click OK, so we will get a last name. So our intention of logic is completed for last name. So now we will go to first name. So how we can do? Same way, I'm taking extract text, just copy and paste it, or simply you can take it from the action. So I'm just copying, pasting, and source string is same for first name also, last name also. It is input. And here if you see, I need to extract first name means it is in between dot and at, right? Just ignore 1 2 3. You can consider as of now 1 2 3 also string. Okay, dot and at. So here we have a two conditions. So that's why I will take before and after. Here we have start after text, start after dot, and not a or case here, and end before at, right? End before at. So both I am taking occurrences first only, right? So just I will save this into as first name, right? So both are created. Now I will see message in message box as first name is our intention to extract is first name, right? First name. So last name is executed correctly. Now we need to check first name is executing correctly or not. Okay. Copy and paste the first name 1 2 3. Here little bit modification we have to do, because we have to extract only first name, right? We have to remove 1 2 3. How we can remove only the numeric words like 1 2 3 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8? Anything is possible. They didn't mention okay only three letters will be there or only one letter will be there, right? So how we can do that one? So very simple way, please don't skip the video. Okay, watch till the end, then you will get the logic of this particular first name, how to extract only first name. And hit the like button and comment on the video. Your feedback is very very important to me. So if you give the feedback means I can explore more and more questions, right? So that is the only way I can get to know okay you are loving my videos or hating my videos. So that's why please comment on the video, hit the like button, and share as much as possible. And don't skip the video. Please watch till the end. Then only you will get the logic. Okay, how we can do this one? First name 1 2 3. We have to extract only first name. Very simple. Just stop it. Okay, so now I have one first name and 1 2 3. So here we have a find action in string. Okay, string find. So just I will just double click. So here we have to take a this one, right? First name, because we have now 123 as a first name. So in first name we have, so S first name. And what is the finding string? So now I need to remove the numeric values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, right? So I need to remove that particular part. So how we can do that one? Find 0 to 1. I will tell you what is this. Okay, this we will call it as regular expression. If you just type in the Google what is a regular expression, you will get all the details. So, and I also uploaded one of the interview scenario based on the regular expression itself. Okay, so if you watch my all past videos, definitely you will get to know what is the regular expression and how to use it in automation anyway. But still I will explain you once again. So this is the regular expression. So I am writing like 0 to 1, sorry, 0 to 9, not 1, 0 to 9. What are all the possibilities of numbers will come? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? So what are all the possible numbers will come? Everything the find will detect, and it will give you the particular position of the character, right? So how we can, it will work, we will see. So after writing this one, find string in a bracket 0 to 9, match case, you can write it, or do not match case, no issue. Here you have to take it regular expression with a match case. I am taking match case regular expression because I told you this is a regular expression we are finding now. And start from one, first index, no issue. And I need to create a variable and store it. Yes, find, or n find, because this is number, right? So n find. Why n? I hope you definitely know this one. N is a prefix of number. That is a best practice, right? Okay. So now I have taken first name, and after that I have taken the number index, right? So now how we can get only the first name? We have to remove the number, right? So if you observe carefully, in first name, how we can get it? First name 123, right? I need to remove means the total length, right? Total length of this first name minus particularly this, what you call, find. This is a one way of doing. Other way, you can do it another way. I will show you. So here I have a first name like this, right? First name 123. So definitely I will get an index of 1 from the find action. Maybe this is 10 or 11 or something, right? So that is a length for first name, right? Very simple. We will see how we can do that one. So we have to do some manipulation. So I will tell you after that. So now what I am doing, so I will take a string option. String. In a string we have a, not extract text, we have another option called substring. Okay, what the substring will do? So it will check the source string. From the source string, how many length you require, that many length of characters it will remove, and it will store it in a particular output. So very simple. So what is the input for this one? Input is first name, right? Yes, first name. Start from 1, that is correct. And what is the length? Length is index, right? N find, n find. And the same thing I will store it in S first name. So now if I run the bot, what I will get? So I need to get a first name, but here one catch is there. So you will find the output and you will get to know what is that catch. So that's why don't skip the video. Please don't skip the video. Watch till the end. See, just I need to enter it here. Last name, last name dot first name 123 at gmail.com. Okay, so if you see here, I'm getting first name with 1. So why? Because if you observe carefully, so I'm just checking in a find 0 to 9, right? So it will give you the first numeric value. Here 1 is there, no? One index it will give. Okay, maybe 10, 11, 12, something. But I need to remove this one, means what I have to do here in the substring, find minus 1. That's it, right? Because one character is extra is the find minus 1. So this is also done. So next what I have to do, so I need to get at gmail.com. What are all after the at I have, that one I need to extract, right? Maybe it is a gmail.com, might be it is outlook.com, hotmail.com, so we don't know. That's why. So that's why what we can do, just take the extract text and copy paste. Okay, s input is a source, and here start after the text of at I need to extract, right? So before, you have to take it before at. You can see here, start after text at, right? So this is the what we call. So this is actually we can call it as we can call it as mail host. Yeah, this is a host, right? Gmail.com, hotmail.com. So mail host. So now we are clear with first name, last name, and mail host. So now we have to combine all the things. How we have to combine? We have to interchange first name first and last name last. So that's why what I will do in the message box itself, first name, that is correct, and I need to take it as a last name dot. I need to add a dot after that s last name. I'm just interchanging the names at. So what is the mail host? That is s mail host. So now if you run the bot, so just I will take first, in the first iteration I will take last name dot first name 123 at gmail.com. Then we will find more scenarios. Okay, it will work or not. Our bot should be dynamic, right? It should work for all the mails properly. So we will see that one. The first thing I will upload as a last name dot first name 123 at gmail.com. If I click OK, so I am getting first name dot last name at gmail.com. So I have removed 123 also, and I'm interchanging also, right? First name, last name. Fine. So now we will see different way. So different scenario. Wait, okay, run. Okay, it's loading. Okay, bot is now started. So we will get a input mail id. Please enter your mail id. So my mail id is example ai dot 893456, some random number I'm giving, at outlook.com. Okay, just I'm giving everything different now. ai.brahma 893456 at outlook.com. If I click OK, so I will get brahma.ai at outlook.com. So very simple, right? So what we have expected in the question, so same thing we are getting output, right? Last name dot first name at gmail.com. So same way I am also interchanging and removing the numeric values from the interview question. So I hope you have understand this logic. Please try in your system, then only you will get more and more like logic to extract the this type of questions. So, and please watch all my other videos. You will get good steps about automation anywhere. Please hit the like button and share and subscribe. Happy learning. Thank you very much.